Shab-e-Miraj is a night of blessings. It is celebrated on 27th day of Islamic month of Rajab. According to Islamic history, our Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was taken on miraculous journey from Makkah to Jerusalem and then to heaven on this night. This journey is known as Isra and Miraj. During Isra, Muhammad, peace be upon him, was transported from Makkah to Jerusalem on horse named Burak. Burak had the ability to travel the light speed. On this night of Miraj, Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, ascended to 7 heavens and met different prophets. At the highest stage of heaven, Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, met Allah Almighty. Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, was given the gift of 5 daily prayers by Allah. Muslims organize special prayers and meetings in the mosques on this night.